Hey guys, Jordan here. I want to show you how to use LinkedIn and the search features that it has for free to connect with potential customers and connect with the right people. So, ideally, you are on your LinkedIn page. I'm currently using my computer. You can go to the home, it doesn't matter, but really all you need to do is find the search bar. This is the search bar. Now, I imagine a lot of you are meeting with engineers at the company or maintenance managers, et cetera, et cetera. So, if you're wanting to meet with a specific type of decision maker that you're familiar with, and you know the role that they may or may not be in, but you don't know who you're looking for, a good thing to do is type in the job title. So, maybe I want to connect with the maintenance engineer. So you click on maintenance engineer, and now this is just searching everything. Now the important part is when we're narrowing down to specific people is that we start by clicking people at the top. So there's jobs, people, posts, etc. We want to click at people. So what we're looking at right now is everybody with the job title of maintenance engineer. Now, if you're located in, say, Dallas or East Texas and you want to narrow down by location, which is ideal, you can do that up here or by current company. So I want to look at everybody who is a maintenance engineer at Trane Technologies. Okay, so show results. So now we're looking at all maintenance engineers at Trane Technologies. Great. Well, look, there's so many people with similar titles, but they're in Dallas, Tyler, all the way up in Minnesota. Like, there's so many different ones. And that's cool, but if you're actually looking for the right person to connect with, you want them to work in the location that you're targeting. So let's start with looking at Tyler. Tyler is an area that I used to cover, so I know that they have a lot of employees out there. So then I'll click Show Results. So now I've narrowed it down. I'm looking at maintenance engineers or somebody with a similar title in Tyler, Texas, working at Trane Technologies. Ideally, what we do now is we go and we click Connect and Send. There you go. You've sent a connection to somebody you probably want to talk to. Now, sometimes instead of Connect, you see the Follow button. So in this case, we would click on the person, go to More, and then click Connect. That's just because they have creator mode on and it gives you the option to follow first. Now, ideally, you would connect with everybody that's at Trane or everybody that's in a position at Trane that could potentially be a contact. Now, there's a few different levels of connections. You have your first, which means you can message them. So Brett Metcalf is my first connection. This means I can just say, hey, Brett, how's it going? I'm not going to do that because I have no reason to talk to Brett today. But ideally, you want people to become your first connections so you can message them and you don't have to worry about trying to email them or guessing the correct email. And so ideally, you send out a bunch of these requests. You get up to about 100, 150 connection requests a week. So I would suggest requesting at least 10 people at each of your top target companies per location that you're targeting. Now, let's try this again, but with, engineering manager. Maybe that's who you're targeting. So now it's going to show me everybody with that similar role in Tyler at Trane. Well, maybe you aren't in Tyler and you're in Dallas. So let's do Dallas, and sometimes I like to do Dallas and the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. So now we're going to see everybody with a similar title to engineering manager at Trane Technologies in Dallas. What do? You just go and connect. And the great thing is if they're a second connection, they're more likely to accept. So maybe you can't get in contact with the project manager, but you can get in contact with one of their sales guys. So just start sending connections and see what happens. Good luck, guys, and let me know if you have any questions.